Welcome to a space where comfort meets style and where every piece of furniture tells a story. In the realm of interior design, compact wood furniture has emerged as a beloved choice for those seeking to create a cozy living room atmosphere. The natural warmth and versatility of wood not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also provide a sense of grounding and connection to nature. As we explore the myriad benefits of wooden decor elements, you'll discover how these pieces can transform your living space into a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. In this journey through the world of wood, we'll delve into the rich variety of reclaimed wood, the artistry of woodworking techniques, and the importance of choosing sustainable materials. Wooden furniture not only offers durability but also adds a timeless charm that metal pieces often lack. As you consider the emotional resonance that wooden items bring to your home, you'll understand why they are more than just functional objects. They are integral parts of the memories and experiences shared within your living space. Join us as we uncover the beauty and practicality of compact wood furniture and learn how to create a welcoming environment that reflects your unique style. If you're enjoying our exploration of compact wood furniture and the incredible ways it can transform your living room, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting the like button, you help us reach more people who appreciate the beauty of woodworking and sustainable design. We encourage you to share this video with friends and family who might be looking to enhance their living spaces. And be sure to stay with us until the end, as we'll be sharing valuable tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Your support means the world to us, and together, we can create a community that celebrates the warmth and charm of wooden furniture in our homes. Creating a cozy living room involves careful selection of furniture and decorative elements that not only enhance comfort, but also reflect personal style. Compact wood furniture, with its natural warmth and versatility, serves as an excellent foundation for designing such a space. The use of reclaimed wood has gained significant popularity in recent years as it offers a unique aesthetic while also being environmentally friendly. By choosing reclaimed wood, homeowners can introduce character-rich pieces into their living rooms, each with its own story and history, thus fostering a more intimate and inviting atmosphere. When discussing types of wood used in compact furniture design, it's essential to highlight the various options available. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and maple are often favored for their durability and timeless appeal. Each type of wood brings its own distinct grain patterns and hues, allowing for a diverse range of styles, from rustic to modern. Softwoods such as pine and cedar, while lighter and often more affordable, also contribute to the cozy feel of a living room. The choice of wood can significantly influence the overall aesthetic and functionality of the space. Woodworking techniques play a crucial role in the quality and longevity of furniture pieces. Traditional methods, such as mortise and tenon joints, ensure that furniture is sturdy and able to withstand everyday use. More contemporary techniques, like CNC machining, allow for precision and intricate designs that enhance the visual appeal of wooden items. The craftsmanship involved in woodworking not only elevates the furniture's functional aspects, but also transforms it into a work of art that can serve as a focal point in any living room. The importance of wooden items over metal furniture is often rooted in aesthetic preferences and emotional connections. Wood provides a warmth and organic feel that metal typically lacks. This natural quality can create a more inviting environment, essential for spaces meant for relaxation and socializing. Furthermore, wooden furniture often ages beautifully, developing a patina that adds to its charm over time. In contrast, metal furniture may not offer the same emotional resonance, often feeling cold and industrial. Cost and marketing considerations also play a significant role in the choice between wooden and metal furniture. While metal pieces may seem more affordable upfront, the long-term value of wooden furniture often justifies its higher initial cost. Wooden items tend to be more durable and can last for generations with proper care, making them a wise investment. Additionally, marketing efforts surrounding reclaimed wood furniture often emphasize sustainability and craftsmanship, appealing to consumers who prioritize ethical sourcing and environmental responsibility. Painting and finishing wooden furniture can further enhance its appeal and protect it from wear and tear. A well-applied finish not only showcases the wood's natural beauty, but also adds a layer of protection against moisture and scratches. Whether opting for a clear coat to highlight the wood grain or a bold color to make a statement, the finishing touches can dramatically alter the furniture's appearance and suitability for various decor styles. Cost-effectiveness is another critical factor when considering wooden furniture. While the initial investment may be higher than that of mass-produced metal pieces, the longevity and timelessness of wood can make it a more economical choice in the long run. High-quality wooden furniture can withstand the test of time, reducing the need for frequent replacements and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. The environmental impact of choosing wooden furniture cannot be overstated. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that wood is sourced responsibly, minimizing deforestation and promoting biodiversity. Reclaimed wood, in particular, reduces waste and repurposes materials that would otherwise contribute to landfills. By opting for wooden furniture, consumers can make a conscious choice that supports environmental health while also enjoying the aesthetic benefits of natural materials. Moreover, the tactile experience of wooden furniture adds to its appeal. The warmth of wood invites touch, creating a sensory connection that enhances comfort in the living space. This tactile nature encourages relaxation, making wooden furniture a perfect fit for areas designed for unwinding and gathering with loved ones. As the trend towards minimalism continues to grow, compact wood furniture aligns perfectly with the need for multifunctional pieces that save space without sacrificing style. Small wooden tables, stools, and shelves can be easily integrated into various living room layouts, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. This adaptability makes wood an ideal choice for modern living, where space is often at a premium. The emotional resonance of wood also plays a role in its appeal. Many people have fond memories associated with wooden furniture, whether it's a cherished family heirloom or a favorite piece in their childhood home. This emotional connection can lead to a preference for wood over metal, as it evokes feelings of nostalgia and warmth that enhance the living room experience. In conclusion, compact wood furniture and decorative elements provide a wealth of benefits for creating a cozy living room. From the unique characteristics of reclaimed wood and various woodworking techniques to the importance of emotional connections and sustainability, wooden items stand out as a superior choice for enhancing home environments. With their timeless appeal, durability, and environmental benefits, wooden pieces offer a harmonious blend of style and practicality, making them an essential component of any living space. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found valuable insights and inspiration for incorporating compact wood furniture and decorative elements into your living room. If you enjoyed the content and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more engaging and informative videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also appreciate the beauty and warmth of wooden decor. Together, we can foster a community that celebrates the art of home design and the timeless appeal of quality craftsmanship. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.